Hey everyone, I'm Ricky. What is wrong with you? Hey everyone, I'm Ricky.
And I'm Misu.
And this is In the Kitchen with RiKiMiSu.
Today we have another challenge.
The Who's in the Box Challenge.
I don't think that's how you play this game.
Oh, whoops. What I meant to say was it's time for the What's in the Box Challenge.
One of us puts an item inside of the box and the other person has to blindly stick their hands in, and while they feel it, they have to try and guess what it is.
You ready?
You bet I am. My hands might as well be my eyes.
I don't know about that.
I'll go grab your first item. Okay, we're gonna start off easy.
Tell me when to look.
Okay, you can go ahead and look. Or feel, I guess.
Okay.
Here you go. Is he gonna guess what it is? This one's kind of difficult, I think. You got this.
It's like kind of nice.
Okay, what is, I don't know.
Oh! I love this fruit. Mango.
How did you get
Mango?
What? There's so many. How did you get that? Well, he is correct.
Yeah. All right. Switch. Grabbing your item.
Okay, I'll look away.
Okay. You can go
Put my
ahead.
hands in. Okay. Where's the
I don't think she's getting this one.
Wait, I'm nervous to touch it. Okay, here we go.
You're starting off easy. What's that? Whoa. What are you touching?
Wait, okay, calm down. Huh? What is this? Why is it huge? Whoa, that's bigger than my hands. Oh, it has some root. Oh! Wait, oh. Oh! Is it? Oh, wait. I think I know.
It's a roller coaster.
Is this a pepper? That's my final answer.
It is a pepper! It's a green pepper!
Wow, that was scary at first.
Alright, moving on to the next level.
Let's get something more difficult.
Okay. This is where I get nervous.
Okay, you can put your hands in now. I'll be surprised if you get this one.
It's not big.
Okay.
Oh, when it's small like that, it's worrying.
Okay.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh!
Does he know?
Red leaf lettuce? Green leaf lettuce? Lettuce?
Wait.
It's lettuce!
No, it's a cabbage!
What?
That's pretty
Oh,
hard,
I'm so close!
It does feel like lettuce though.
Yeah, I was thinking like it was like that green leaf lettuce. Oh, that's not green. That's not that green.
Okay.
Alright, well, let me grab your item. Don't look.
Okay.
Oh no.
Wait, why are you making weird noises?
Okay. Alright, you can go.
Wait, now I'm more scared. Don't make weird faces. Okay, where's the hole? Wait, I don't even want to stick my hands in. No! What is that? what is that? Why is it like that? Huh? What is that? Oh. Oh. Wait.
Oh.
This could... Stop making random noises! Oh, no, that's just a plate. Wait. Oh. Oh, I think, oh! Is this, oh, something dropped. Oh, wait, I don't know what's happening, it's dropping! I'm gonna put it down! I'm gonna put it down. I don't, okay, wait, let me put, are these grapes?
Yes, you are correct.
Okay.
They are grapes.
Ooh, that was scary to touch. Okay, now it's time for your turn. It's time for your most challenging item.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna get this one for sure, I know. Feel it, feel it.
Okay, you can put your hands in now.
Alright, let's do this.
Whoa, we can't.
Oh my god, it touched me right there! Why is it so close to me?
It's okay, you got this. Make sure it doesn't bite you, you know?
Is it a turtle? I don't know if turtles have sharp backs. Like,
This one's quite difficult.
is it a? No, it's not a pineapple. This is a really weird pineapple. What? Oh, what is that? Oh!
What is it?
I know what this
What is it? What do you think it is?
Durian!
How did you get that?
I knew it! Okay, at first I really thought it was like a pineapple or a turtle, okay? But then I was feeling around and I was like, oh wait, there's that like, that sharp fruit that's like this big. Ah, durian! That's right, eh?
What? Yeah, you're correct.
Let's
This is
go! Alright, it's time for your boss item. By the way guys, a boss item is the hardest item we have. Oh, you want to see what it is?
I'm nervous.
Okay, ready to go.
Okay. I'm scared. Okay, I got this. What is that? Oh, I don't... Why does it feel like that? It's like... Oh, I just think... No! I don't know what that is!
I don't even know what she thinks it is.
Wait, why is it? Oh, kind of feels nice. I hope I'm not afraid. I know what this is!
No way.
These are those mushrooms! Oh! So this is the S. Shiitake mushrooms?
No, that's not right. These are enoki mushrooms.
Oh, I thought they were...
You're very, very close. Alright, well, looks like I won this game.
Yes. Wow, I didn't think you'd actually get the durian.
It's all about that hand-eye coordination. If you want to check out other recipes, videos, and other cool stuff, go to kidfoodnation.com.
Show your parents and you can all make dinner together.
See you next time!